Hello students, as you know we are working on chapter number 12 in your ICT book. Our task is 12F. In 12F we have to open the tree.jpg and save this picture as PNG, and for doing this job we have to open any photo editor software. Without any photo editor software we can't convert any JPG to PNG or BMP or any other format. So we have to adjust the color depth of the image to 16 bit per channel and save as a new image as tree2.jpg. Sorry, tree2.png. PNG means portable network graphics. I already tell you about the files in chapter number 11. For this purpose, according to your book, Adobe Photoshop is used for performing these tasks. The function will be performed in Adobe Photoshop. Open the package and open the trees. Save image using the file tab, save as. So you can see here Adobe Photoshop is used. You can use also any other software, Microsoft Office Picture Manager or any photo editor. So I am going to open this tree.jpg in Adobe Photoshop. So here is the Adobe Photoshop and I click on open, and you also can drag this image to this folder. So I just open this path from here, and I open this tree picture in the Adobe Photoshop. So our first task is very simple task. Adjust the color depth to 16 bit per channel and save it to trees2.png. So again I go with the Photoshop, click on image and then mode, and then I select here 16 bit channel, and just then you also can use save as, and you also can export it to quick export as PNG. So first of all I go with save as, and I click on save on your computer, and where you want to save in chapter number 12, and I select here the PNG format, and I just click on save button, and now you can see click on OK, and if you want to smallest size you select smallest size. I am going to cancel because we have to use this name trees2.png. So again I click on save as button, and I give the trees2.png and save it. Okay, now you can see here this again file two times. This is now the PNG file. If I go to the properties of this file, you can save this trees2 dot is now PNG file, and this trees dot is JPEG file. So our next task is task 12G. We have to rotate this image to 180 degrees and save as a new as t3.png. So again I go with the image on Adobe Photoshop and click on image, and then here is a function of image rotation. I click on 180 degree. The image is rotated to 180. Now I click on save as button, and we also can use this function quick export to PNG. We also can use this function also, save for web legacy. So I click here second time quick export PNG and save this to trees3.png, and now you can see another file here, trees.png, and this is our 180 rotation file. And if I open this picture, this is 180 and its reflect is this image trees2, and this is tree3 image. Our next task is 12H, and in 12H task we have to increase the brightness of image trees3 and decrease the contrast, increase the brightness and decrease the contrast, so the image can be used as background. Save this new image as trees4.png. Again go to Photoshop and I click on the image adjustment, and first adjustment is brightness and contrast. I just increase the brightness and decrease the contrast a little bit, and then click on the OK button. And now I again save this image by our third option, because I am going to tell you all options how to save the image in Adobe Photoshop, and I choose this third option, save as web legacy, and then you have to select from there a png file. You can see here JPEG and any other GIF format also, but you choose the PNG format and then click on the save button, and you give here again the file name tree3 and trees3, and you just click on save. Okay, so this is our web-based PNG saving method, and now you can see another file here, trees3.png. So I save this 3 times, this trees original file JPEG file, and these trees are the PNG files. So these are the tasks we have done in Adobe Photoshop. In your book is recommended for software is Photoshop. Adobe is the main company that is working behind on the graphic design. So Adobe Photoshop is Adobe or Adobe Photoshop. Normally in Pakistan we say Adobe, but basically main its pronunciation is Adobe Photoshop, and adobe.com is the website of Adobe Photoshop. Adobe is the company name and Photoshop is a simple software name. Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Fireworks, and many other softwares, Adobe Dreamweaver. These softwares also the Adobe.com products are available on the website, and you can download this software from any other website also. Hopefully you understand this lesson, and if you have any question you can ask me from any time, and you can comment. I'll give you the answer. Thank you very much.